We at the fair, baby. We about to get these tickets and go up there. Aries, are you excited? We in the fair, baby. Brave, we in the fair. Are you happy?
Yeah.
You are? You ready to do some stuff?
Yeah, I want to go on the roller coaster.
The roller coaster? Do you know that they just put that roller coaster together yesterday?
Don't do that to her.
What?
Don't put your fears on her. Don't project your stuff onto her.
We about to have fun, y'all. We just came through the metal detectors. Can't nobody bring guns in here, so we should be safe. Hey, you excited? You are? They about to get this pony ride. Pony ride, pony ride. Let's go. Get out your nose. Y'all ready for this pony ride?
Look at the goats.
Hey, y'all don't seem excited. Are y'all ready for this pony ride?
Yes, but I'm a little scared. I've never been on.
Don't be scared. Just look at what it does. It just walks around. Look at that. Were you scared?
Yes.
Why? Why were you scared? Baby, were you scared? Were you scared? Y'all, this is why I came here, for this food. Y'all see this behind me? I'm about to get me a turkey wing. They got turkey legs. They got steak kebabs. They got Mexican corn up here. It's about to be crazy. They got
Sausage sandwiches.
They got steak kebabs. They got turkey legs, Mexican corn. Let's go. You want a steak kebab? You see, when you have little indecisive kids, you want turkey on the stick?
Yeah.
It ain't no such thing as turkey on the stick. They got a turkey leg.
Yeah, what you want?
Wishy, what you want?
She want cotton candy.
I'm in line. The line's are long. We about to get to the front and get me 2 steak kebabs, a Mexican corn. I was gonna get a turkey leg, y'all, but I just looked over there and they got like chicken pita and a sausage sandwich, so I think I'm gonna just like hold off on the turkey leg. But I'm gonna get me a frozen lemonade too, so stay tuned so I can show y'all what this food looks like, cause y'all know fair food be lit. You want some chili cheese fries? You want some french fries?
No.
You don't want french fries?
No.
What do you
Wish,
want?
You're gonna get cotton candy, but you gotta eat food.
You gotta get some food too.
Cotton candy.
I'm gonna get you whatever you want
But
today.
you still have to eat food.
But you gotta eat food too, okay? You want chicken on a stick? This one is different. I'm about to get Aries a jumbo corn dog, y'all. That girl look good.
I'm hot. My hair is all over my head.
Yeah, man, it's a little hot. I had to tell y'all see me. I had to improvise. I had to take off my hoodie and wrap it around.
You look like a dad.
I look like a father, huh?
You look like a dad.
All I'm missing is a fanny pack, but I got my book bag
I'm
on.
getting you a fanny pack for your birthday. Since you always lose your wallet, I'm getting you a fanny pack.
We almost at the line, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all this food. Stay tuned. We want to get a steak kebab, 2 lemonades, and a turkey wing. Ooh, that thing looks good, people. Y'all see it? Yes, sir. Juiciness. Y'all see it? Super dumb turkey leg. Super huge. $20. Let's go.
Man, I don't know what I want. I kind of want a sausage sandwich.
This is good turkey leg. We got the lemonade, the steak kebab. Bae can't decide what she wants, and she
Man, I
wants.
think I want a jumbo corn dog. I don't know why I feel like I want a corn dog.
Let's get a corn dog. I'm about to get a sausage.
No, I don't want nothing on it. I don't like ketchup. I don't like mustard. I don't.
She about to eat a dry corn dog.
If they made it right, it won't be dry. It'll be juicy.
This turkey leg slaps though.
Or
You want
should I
another bite?
get Philly steak fries?
Yo, it's juicy too. It's not dry.
Hello, can I have your next?
Oh, that girl getting that corn dog. You like your pizza?
Yeah, good.
Wishy, you like your pizza? Man, we about to spend $500 at this fair, y'all. Everything is high. We gonna tally it up as we go. We about to pay for these rides.
Sister has some of this.
She's thirsty. Just taste it, it's good.
What we have. Okay, well you're not thirsty then.
Wish, taste the lemonade or we going home. Give your sister some of that lemonade. Taste it.
I don't want it.
It's okay.
The youngest one is a terrorist. Another 120, boy. We already done spent $500 over here, man. What's going on? We gotta get our hand stamped. Oh, you got a stamp. I can't even see it. You got a stamp. Where's your stamp? Oh, you got a stamp.
Are we going back to
Brave,
the
let me
boat
see your
ride?
stamp. Oh, you got a stamp. And Daddy got a stamp
Going
too.
back to the boat.
You ready to ride this bull?
We gonna ride like a rodeo. Hold on tight.
Right there.
I didn't even get on.
He ain't even let you get up on it. She know how to ride it, y'all. White out. She gonna fall fast, y'all. I tried to, by the time I got the camera set, it was already down.
Going up.
My kids want to ride this contraption. And I ain't doing it. But guess what? They getting on with their mommy. You want to ride this Ferris wheel?
Yes.
Brave, you want to ride the Ferris wheel too?
Yes.
Mommy's,
Get on here.
you got to sit down.
Sit down the whole time. You cannot get up. You have to sit down. You hear me?
Lord, pray for my children.
Hi, baby.
Brave.
Come on, Mama. You can go.
Y'all, this fair food been lit. Fried Oreos. We about to get some fried Oreos and pop some for y'all so y'all can see how we feel about these. I ain't never had a fried Oreo ever. But we about to try one today. So I got the fried Oreos. Y'all see all that sugar on there? Powdered sugar. Powdered delight, baby. Look at Aries with her funnel cake.
Before you picked it up?
I thought it was a little bitty.
Funnel cake. Oh, a baby funnel cake.
Aries on her funnel cake. Wish you like your cotton candy? Bravey, you like your candy apple?
Yeah.
Look at your face.
What?
See, all right, here we go. It's hot. Boy, I don't even like sweets like that.
No, I do.
But this, the powdered sugar is coming through. You can taste the cookie a lot. Oh my God. Every once in a while, a fat man gotta treat himself, you know what I'm saying? Oh, Aries eating that funnel cake. How's it taste?
It's good. What you think?
It's good. Brave, look at your face with that candy apple on it. The sun is sunning, y'all. Oh my goodness. Your boy is hot. You see the sweat dripping off of my body. The kids want to get on this crazy bus. I don't ride rides, but I'm getting on this crazy bus. You ready for the crazy bus?
Yes.
You ready for the crazy bus?
Okay,
Let's zoom in on your face.
don't you?
Okay. How's this about to be?
What you feeling like?
We about to ride this ride. I don't ride rides, but I'm about to ride this ride for my kids.
I got you 4, but it's kind of tight.
Y'all about to ride Dumbo.
Hold on now. Come back
I can't even hit one. Appreciate it. What's up? Y'all, we going into this super stinking area in the fair. It really stinks. But the kids want to see the goats. Aries wants to see the goats too.
I did not request it.
You don't want to see the goats? Aries said she didn't authorize seeing the goats. What's up, my boy?
What's wrong?
What is for the carrots?
What's wrong, Lola? Okay, Mama.
You gonna feed a goat?
Are you getting it? You gotta share. Can you share? Look at him. Hey, you are rude, sir. You're rude.
More. Also, don't.
Bags like they get to her forehead. And then you just, we'll just like twist it there.
Look at you, cutie.
Just need a full 3 minutes. For you.
Thank you.
Oh, you're so cute. Oh. Say meow.
All right, come on, let's go. Now we're going home, okay? That was it. Let's go.
We are a part of the Good Vibe Nation.